Introducing Ezitracker Time and Attendance Solutions. Flexible and agile workforce management software to support your business. Delivering agile time and attendance efficiencies to support your growth. We understand the complex issues that arise when managing deskless, dispersed and remote teams, and the need to have information available and distributed to your workforce in real time, wherever they are. Ezitracker's time and attendance technology solutions match the full employee journey from onboarding to pay, with a tailored method for capturing data to a multitude of ways of interpreting it. It's all driven by the Ezitracker engine, Easy Classic, supported by various modules depending on your needs. Easy Classic, the original workforce time and attendance software engine that drives Ezitracker, providing time and attendance monitoring, mobile audits, payroll automation and management reporting to companies with remote or dispersed workforces. Easy Classic challenges workforce management convention by reducing costs, delivering efficiencies, and improving workforce productivity, all whilst ensuring our customers can deliver contracts and meet their SLA's KPIs. Easy Onboard, a field-based onboarding tool empowering owners and managers to capture real-time employee-centric data for recruitment. Developed to address the time lag from on-site recruitment to head office processing and acknowledgement of a new starter. Easy HR, extend the power of our Easy Onboard module, or to be used as a standalone module for managing, developing and retaining your workforce. Easy Planner, now that you've onboarded and validated your workforce ready to work, you can effectively schedule your teams using the easy-to-use shift template builder, allowing regular shifts that can be used over multiple contracts. Transparent time and financial budgeting in a single screen. Easy Audit. Conduct audits as part of continuous improvements in your business. Ezitracker provides a simple, site-based auditing tool deployed remotely using Easy Mobile. Easy Budget. Automate payroll functions including recording time and attendance, annual leave, creating pay groups and payroll calculations. Easy Pay, a fully compliant HMRC accredited payroll solution that is GDPR compliant with pension scheme auto-enrollment built in. Easy Pay is a true cloud-based payroll system, allowing users the flexibility to streamline the flow of data from Easy Budget. Ezitracker is available through a number of devices to suit your organization. Easy Mobile, using smartphone technology. Easy Call, for landline technology. Easy Text, SMS communication. Easy Bio, facial and fingerprint recognition technology. With business software that joins the dots across your organization, you can work the way you want to work, achieve more, and have more time to do the jobs you're passionate about. The freedom to do more.